wide variety of xantha food. ये कॉफी का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट भी है. So carotenes, beta carotenes are used as a food coloration abundant in plants. The most common form of carotene oil, carotenes in plant, it is remember when the catalytically hydrogenated beta carotene from perhydrobeta-carotenes. This beta-carotene contain 11 double bond. Formulation of beta-carotene results the general formation of CN2 and minus 2. Pyrophosphate isolated is commonly done using carbon chromatography. It can be extracted from the data carbon. It can also be extracted from beta-carotene rich algae, green microalgae found in high saline water, and where it is product carotenes to protect from the sunlight and high concentration of liquid which protect it from the body pressure. The separation of the beta-carotene from the mixture of the total carotene is based on the polarity of the compound. Beta-carotene is non-polar and it is separated from the non-polar solvent as a hexane. Being highly conjugated, it is deeply colored and having the hydrocarbon lacking functional group is very lipophilic. Beta carotene precursor is a precursor of vitamin A via the action of beta carotenes monooxygenase. 15 and 1 monooxygenase. Beta carotene cleaved either symmetrically or asymmetrically. Uh, Symmetric cleavage with the enzyme and BB carotene 15 to 15 dioxygenase requires the antioxidant alpha tocopherol. Okay. The symmetric cleavage gives us pupillent retinal molecule, and each retinal molecule further access to each retinal nol A and retinoic acid. Okay, the carotene is also cleaved into two asymmetric products. The product is beta protocol, which I have already given you assignment. Asymmetric cleavage reduces the level of retinoic significantly. Retinal, it's containing the aldehyde group. It is also called retinal aldehyde or retinal. Okay, it is a polyene chromophore bound to protein called OPS, and its chemical basis of animal vision. It is also certain microorganism to convert light into its metabolic energy. Uh, Vertebrate animals ingest retinal directly from the meat. Are they produce retinal from the carotenoid, either from one or two carotenes. are from photosynthetic organism. The other main form of vitamin A is retinal, and the partially active form, retinoic acid, may both be produced from the retinal. Invertebrates such as insect and um, squid use hydroxylated form of retinal in their visual system, which derive from the food conversion from the, for other xanthophyll. So it's a main part of the vision. Vision begin with the photoesmerization of retinal when 11 cis retinal chromophore absorb protein. It summarizes from the 11th cis state to all the transstate, the absorption of the protein to which it is blood. Different pro- uh, opsins produce during absorption of spectra. Okay, we have already done. No, we do not done. Okay, so beta carotene metabolism. The two retinal protein catalyzed by beta carotene 1515 dioxygenase, just a carotenoid, are the precursor of retinal, and retinal is the okay precursor of the retinal, and retinal is the precursor of other form of the vitamin A. Retinal is the interconversion convertible with the retinal, the transport and the storage form of vitamin A. So it's a precursor of vitamin A. Retinal, you can introduce NAD, and then you see that retinol convert into the retinal. The retinal can be oxidized to retinoic acid, and retinal NAD plus H2O, retinoic acid, and NADH is releasing the energy. Retinal um, nitric acid and hydrogen peroxide catalyzed by the retinal oxidase. Retinoic acid, sometimes called the vitamin A acid, is an important and significant molecule and chrome invertebrate. As you know that on the oxidation of retinal, it is formed the retinoic acid. It is a metabolic product of A. The mediate function of vitamin A required for growth and development. So it's the precursor. Retinoic acid is required to coordinate animal with which include all higher animal from fish to human. During embryonic development, retinoic acid helps to determine the position along the embryonic anterior axis by serving as an intracellular signaling molecule that mm, guides development of the posterior portion of the embryo. It acts as a Hox genes, which is ultimately converted to anterior or posterior pattern in every developmental stage. The key role of retinoic acid is in the embryonic development to mediate the highly tetragenicity of the retinoid pharmaceuticals such as isotretinoin, used for the treatment of the cancer and the acne. Retinoic acid can be produced in the body by two sequential oxidation steps that convert retinol to Some biochemical function necessary for fertility in vitamin A deficient male and females originally appeared to require retinal for the rescue, but it is due to the requirement of the local conversion of the retinol to retinoic acid. It is if animals are fed only retinoic acid but no vitamin A and none of the growth, stunning the epithelial damage effect of the lack of the vitamin A, they do suffer um, retina degeneration and blindness due to the retinal deficiency. So this is the gamma carotenes. Biosynthesis as intermediate of cyclized protein synthesis in plant. It is formed from cyclization of the lycopene. It is formed from the cyclization of lycopene by lycopene cycle epsilon along with other several carotenoid. Gamma carotenes are the vitamin of A. In herbivores and omnivores, carotenoid are cyclized beta enone ring can be converted to vitamin A, also known as retinol, by the enzymes B-carotene 15-15 oxidase. Uh, However, the bioconversion of gamma carotene to retinol has not been recognized. Apocarotenoid derived from the carotenoid by oxidation is on oxidation with the chromic acid, it gives 3 to 4 molecules of acetic acid per unit of carotene. Thus, there are 3 to 4 methyl side chain. Central core of cocaine, the compound responsible for the color of the saffron, crocin and croctin may provide continue to improve the quality of sleep. So how the salt is working for it, it is not just an extra knowledge, and then this is a structure of protein, and this is all finished for today. Any question?